Hello, my people where they hear my voice now. Your AB sister, your AB one where they tell you better story. I dey greet you now. Good afternoon, good evening, good night, night, wherever you are. Make una no mind my English, but make una dey take am like that. Now I say I dey greet you now. God will bless you now for the things one they do for me. My body they do Paulina. I say God go dey bless me. My people where they hear my voice now they tell you now wetin dey happen. No make you now see this our Baba where you see so. Something yanga go dey sleep na so they come wake am I say na so this baba dey do all these people wey dey do something wey be say dem go do wey be say people no dey gree go home because of all this baba dem. So now they carry the story come. I say make as I dey pass na so I say make I carry am come show my people bad or good I must show una. I say make I show una wey dey watch me make una dey see wetin dey happen because nothing person no go see for this world. Now I carry this story come say this man wey una see for here, this man no dey allow people to stay and sleep in their village. They no dey allow people to rest. Dey allow people to shake body. If you talk past your mouth, if you no even talk past your mouth, you go just tell the person okay, before you know everything don gbaza. So everybody have to be careful. Now I carry this story come say make I tell una make una use una eye see wetin baba dey do many people for the village. Now as I dey see I say make I come tell my people wey dey listen to my voice. Now I carry am come as say make I tell una see wetin this baba dey do. Na so e dey make if you talk, if you challenge am, the person is gone. If you just make me the person don. Na so I say wetin dey happen? Why people like to do evil so much? Why people like to do bad things? Make una dey see wetin this man do. I go play the video make una use make una see with una eye play the video make una manage am. I go fit play the video make una see as him dey talk am. So na so I dey vex for this papa. Make us we know the all these things or Easter, everybody go dey fear say I no wan go home because they are scared because of all this bad village. Is why so it's why I carry this story come. This man dey talk. If you see wetin dey talk, you go come see this life. Why people like to choose more than good, and these things not making sense. Why people like to do bad so much? Not making sense. We need good things. We don't need bad things in life. We need good things, and people are doing a lot of things this time around. Everybody have to be very careful. Now I carry this story. I say make I tell my people where they watch me. Make I tell my people where they hear my voice. People where they hear my voice. So make them they see. This man will be like say old man we're supposed to. I don't know what is happening in this world. This world is turning to another thing, because people need to be very careful. And I say know the kind of thing where you eat, know the kind of things where you do. Be careful for the things you do. Look at this man. Even his own brother, even his own sister, nobody outside and they do. If they do in own family, they care. I don't know why some people choosing bad more than good. I don't know why people choosing like that, because all those things. People, I don't know what is wrong with people now. You have to be very careful. Anywhere you go, if you are going home or anything, if you are eating with people, you have to be very extra careful, because you don't need to trust anybody. You don't know who can happen. So you have to be very extra careful. So you have to be extra careful. Anything we are doing now, make una dey see because now God go dey help us and now God go dey guide in children. Okay, what it is when again. Even the children go turn to enemy. You no go know the good, you no go know the bad. But this world already changed because of the things that is happening. Everybody have to be very careful. Is why I carry this story come. I say make I dey tell you now. Una people where they watch me, una people where they hear my voice, where they know as I dey talk my story. Now so the thing they wahala me. Now I say this old man we supposed to even. I don't know what is happening, my people where they watch me. I don't know what they happen. Now I carry this story come. I say wetin be this wey dey see. African people, what is wrong with African people sef? I say make we dey take am easy, the things wey we dey do, make we dey get conscience, make we dey go conscience. Nobody wey no go go one day o, everybody have to go one day o. Na one by one o, when person time reach go go. So people wey dey do bad, if you dey do bad you think that you're not going to go, one day you're going to leave the place o. You're going to leave this world, because this world na turn by turn o. When the person time come, nobody, you will not say no. So now make me carry this story come. I say ụmụnnadi, all these ụmụnnadi, I no understand them o. Now carry the story come. I say wetin dey happen for this kind man to dey do all this, and until dem dey answer chief, and na dem dey do pass. If dem want to judge case in the village now, na so dem go turn am upside down. They will see truth, they will turn it to bad. When they see bad, they will turn it to good. Person need to be careful. If you are traveling, be careful where you dey go, be careful for what you dey chop o. Now dey tell una say make we dey careful for wetin we dey chop o. Anything wey somebody bring for you, no be say you go just put am wham. Anything wey dem say na, they say na my best friend the time wey I travel, or na my best friend, he cannot do me bad. You no know who be who now. You have to be wise, you have to be very careful. You don't know who is who. If you be say na your own mama, the same papa, dem can do anything. Everybody have to be very, very smart. Everybody have to be very careful in anything you do in life, in anything you're doing, because the world now already changed. It's not the same world you know before is happening. The world already turned to another thing. No, it's not the same world. The person you know before is the same person. Everybody they change. People are changing every day. People that you know that are good can turn to bad. People that are bad can turn to good. So you have to be very extra careful, my people. The person you know before can change. So everybody have to be wise and be careful in anything you do. It's not that you will just see something, oh yo, this one is my best friend, he cannot do me bad. This person is my good friend, he can never hurt me. You don't know who be who, my people, where they watch me, where they hear my voice. You don't know who be who. You have to be wise. Not anywhere you go, then bring anything you eat, one. Anything where they bring them from, anywhere you go, you just chop. You don't know who be who. This one now, I say that the man they do pin, and that pin in my place, pin is very, very, but you don't even need somebody to do that pin. If okay, then they do somebody pin like this. If the person go and take injection, you know, say another wahala, make it shake that kind of thing. No, now this man they do, and all those things now wahala, no good. I don't know why elderly man go they change, go they do bad thing more than good thing. I don't know why elderly people go they do bad thing more than good people, more than good things where they supposed to they do. As a elder, as a chief, you call yourself. You go they do now. You come be saying a champion for village. Everybody come they look at eye, bad eye. Everybody come they look the man, meaning they look at one kind eye. Now I carry this thing story come. I say, this one will not pass me. Let me share it to my people. Let me share it to people where they like to watch my video, people where they like to listen for my talk. Now I carry the story come. I say make the people where they watch me and people where they hear my voice, make them follow me to hear wetin dey happen o. Make them follow me, they listen for wetin the man they talk, or make them follow me hear wetin things where they happen. Now carry the story come say, make I tell my people o, make people they careful for anything. And you see what is happening in the world. It's end time. Everybody have to be very careful in anything you do, in anything you talk, in the way you look, the way you do everything. It's not that you come back from village, you just want to be doing anything, you will be talking anyhow you like to talk. My dear, you have to be very, very wise. Don't be saying the way you say. Don't be talking the way you're supposed to talk. Don't talk anything. If anything happens to you, just keep your mouth. Because some people, when you talk like village, when you talk, they will go and take it another way. It's not the way you talk. They will change them for the person. So you have to be wise in anything you do. Now I carry am come and say, this one my people need to learn. Oh, my people wey dey watch me need to learn. They need to understand what is happening in the world. Oh, so we have to be very extra, very careful. Even your breaking friends, your everything you do, you're saying, this one and my friend cannot do you bad. You have to be wise. Don't trust anybody anymore. Don't trust anybody anymore. Be careful for the things you do. Be careful for the things you do. The people you know before is not the same people you know. Their mind already changed. People mind already changed. People mind is changing every day. And this end time, everybody have to be careful. Know the kind things you tell people about yourself. Know the kind things you do. Know the word is coming out in your mouth. When you're going out, don't be eating anything you then bring for you. Say, oh, he's my best friend. He cannot do me this. No, you don't know who is who, because the thing don't make us now. We will not know the good one. We will not know the good one. We will not know the bad one. So you have to be very extra careful in anything you do. You have to be wise. You have to be extra careful, because people already change. The people you know is not the same people you know now. People change. So if you never subscribe to my channel, try and subscribe and like my video, share my video, and more blessings to you guys. God bless you all.